Senator Ted Cruz has unveiled a bill aimed at preventing tragedies like the fatal Army helicopter crash near Reagan National Airport back in January. It's the Rotorcraft Operations Transparency and Oversight Reform Bill, also called the Rotor Act. The Texas senator made the announcement at an aviation industry summit near the site of the accident.
It will review helicopter routes at airports across the country. It will close the regulatory loophole that allowed Army helicopters to fly without ADS-B out turned on. And it will require the Army Inspector General to review systemic breakdowns that may have contributed to the crash, similar to an FAA audit that the DOT Inspector General has already agreed to conduct.
The National Transportation Safety Board says it will start an investigative hearing on the crash later this month.